So I just got 2 key holders, but I already installed one in the kitchen, and the other one I'm going to install and show you. So it comes with these 4 baggies. We have the key holder itself, the 2 adhesives, some screws, and then finally a little instruction manual. Now if you want to install this directly to the wall, then you're just going to use these 2 screws and screw them in. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the adhesives instead. And to do so, I'm going to start by picking my spot, which is going to be right over here. And these adhesives come with this little knobs that has to be unscrewed, just like this. And then the same thing for this other one. Now they can be placed inside the holes just like so. And I'm gonna start by just tearing a little bit off of it so it doesn't fully stick to it. And then I wanna make sure I get like the correct orientation. All right, so I took off the other one momentarily, but I just wanna find the right spot. So this looks about centered. And I wanna make sure this is even too. Right around there. There. And I'll take this off. And just remove the rest of that little plastic and stick it on real nice. And the same thing for this other side. Right, so now this should be a little bit easier. I just have to make sure to make this level, and that looks about right there. And then just stick it on. All right, now this can be put in, and then we can screw those little knobs in again. And there, now it's ready to be used. So let me just grab some keys and put it on. So now I can put my bundle of keys, my Apple Watch, and then my glasses. And I can even put the ones I'm currently wearing. And I still have space for one more thing. And I do use these scissors a lot, so I might as well just hang some scissors on there. And what I like about this is that there's also like an extra plate on top, so I can just put my phone there and there. Now when I walk from inside, I could just hang my keys directly over here, so I'll never lose them again. So this ended up looking real nice, and that's not the only thing I'm using this key holder for. I'm using the second one in the kitchen to hold some of my spatulas, my thongs, and that other spoon.